Okay, we got the 790 Adventure, the standard model. Got it set up with Bushwhackers hand guards, zigzag handlebar bag, Fandango Pro Tank Bag with Postal's pouches tucked right in there like they're made for it. Pannier Pockets, rather. Thank you very much for that. Here's the Postal's pouch strapped to the back of the Great Basin. You know, we've removed those big grab handles on the back, which just makes the Great Basin sit on here perfectly. You know, tons of space, about as much as a set of smallish rigid panniers. Then we've got the Rogue dry bag on here, all nicely integrated into the compression straps. Our anchor straps to the Great Basin attached to the tail rack there. So yeah, man, that thing's ready to go. You could go, you could leave today with that set up and go ride for a month. Go light, go fast, go far.